Introducing SlideBazaar's PowerPoint add-in designed to change the way you create presentations. Let's say you're about to create a presentation. You could spend hours creating slides from scratch or work with templates. But that would entail downloading and trying them out until you find the right one. But what if I tell you that there's an easier way to create presentations? With SlideBazaar's add-in, everything you need to design slides is now just a few clicks away. You get immediate access to our entire library of templates, themes, illustrations, icons, flags, and dashboards, all seamlessly integrated into PowerPoint. Search for the template you need and add it to your slide with just a click. And just like that, you have the perfect starting point for professionally designed presentations. But it doesn't stop there. You can fine-tune your search, choose your color palette, select a style, and more to find the right template for your needs. Now, if you're struggling to create a custom design that requires repeating patterns like this timeline, you can use the Slide Replicator feature to speed things up. It lets you effortlessly duplicate shapes and lets you create intricate design patterns with ease. You can even save your custom slide designs and reuse them whenever you need using the My Slides feature. You also get access to SlideBazaar's custom format tools neatly arranged on the sidebar, which provides a comprehensive set of design tools for PowerPoint. And yes, in case you forgot, all of this is available to you without ever leaving PowerPoint. It's features like this that make SlideBazaar's new PowerPoint add-in a must-have for everyone wanting success with their presentations. Check it out for free today by visiting SlideBazaar.com.